Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install Apple Music on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Apple Music, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit music.apple.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now to install it, simply click on this three dot icon and here click on save and share. Now click on create shortcut. Here, give a name to your shortcut, then click on open as a window and click on create. And this will install Apple Music on a Chromebook. Now for quick access, you can also pin Apple Music icon to the Chromebook self. For that, right click on it, then click on pin. Now you can simply use this shortcut to open Apple Music on your Chromebook. Also, you can open it from the app launcher. For that, click on app launcher icon. Here you will find Apple Music logo. Simply click on it and you are ready to use Apple Music. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.